Hello everyone, welcome to my lecture. Here in this lecture, I have selected a question where the three different sets are there, that means three different situations are there, a word problem especially. So let's go through the question. In a survey of 100 students, total number of students is 100, where we have surveyed that is where we have surveyed this one situation. The number of students studying the various languages were found to be English only 18 students are there out of 100, English but not Hindi 23, English and Sanskrit 8, English 26, Sanskrit 48, Sanskrit and Hindi 8, no language 24. That means out of 100, few students are there which does not have any idea about the three languages. That means 24 students of that type are there. এনেকুৱা 100 টা ভিতৰত এনেকুৱা ষ্টুডেন্ট আছে 24 টা যিনে কি এটা ল্যাঙ্গুৱেজও নাজানে, neither Hindi nor Sanskrit nor English. But listen, here few specific find how many students were studying Hindi only, English and Hindi, Sanskrit only, all the three subjects. You have to find it out how many students out of 100 are there which knows only Hindi. Next, only Hindi, English and Hindi like that. So what is the difference between English only and English 26? Actually remember, English only means out of 100 students, 18 students are exactly there who is studying only English. They neither study Hindi nor Sanskrit. But English 26 means what? Here only word is not there. This implies out of 100 students, 26 students are there who is studying not only English but also maybe Hindi or maybe Sanskrit. That means out of 26 students are there which are of that type. এইবিলাক 26 টা student এনেকুৱা ধৰণৰ তাতে ইংলিশ শিকে, নো ডাউট অকল ইংলিশ নহয়, মানে ইংলিছৰ উপৰিও তাহাঁতে আৰু বেলেগ কিবা সাবজেক্টটো শিকিব পাৰে বা অকল ইংলিছো শিকিব পাৰে. সো ইংলিশ ইজ দিস ইজ দ্য কালেকশন অফ অল দোজ স্টুডেন্টস. তাহাঁতে অকল ইংলিছো হ'ব পাৰে বা আদাৰ দেন ইংলিশ প্লাস আদাৰ সাবজেক্ট মেবি is there. Then a situation. Sanskrit and Hindi means they are nothing but intersection. Sanskrit or Hindi duita. So number of people is 8. So now let us consider a Venn diagram. Using Venn diagram, we will try to find out the answer of all those questions. Whenever three sets will be there, it will be the easiest process to using the Venn diagram. So use the universal set. E is the set of all the students who is studying English. H is the set of all those students studying Hindi. S is a set of all the students studying Sanskrit. Now we will try to level each and every separate portion of this one arrow Venn diagram. A Venn diagram to protect to disjoint portion of eta ami level korim. Just like as A, B, C, D, E, F, Z, H. Any symbol you can use to represent it. Moi eneke likhisu tumalage eneke muni likhibo para, but remember you have to level each and every intersection protected portion of separate portion of naam disu. What is H? H is the number of students who is enokator student or hoinka ji neither Hindi nor English nor Sanskrit eta subject no pore karon so he totally union or bahir ase. What is A? A is the number of students who is studying English only. E is the number of students who is studying Hindi only. So E kun kini A portion to E hoy. A portion to ki ase akol Hindi ase. Number of students who is studying Sanskrit only, Z. What is D? D is the number of students who is studying all the three subjects. Intersection portion ase so. That means the value of D will represent the number of students who is studying all the three subjects. What is C? C is the number of people. C portion to so kuntu? It is C portion. Bhalke sochen C ki hoy? C is the number of student who studying ki poise so C code C kar intersection portion ase. C it was a Sanskrit or etu ki hoy English. C is the number of students who studying Sanskrit and Hindi only Sanskrit or Hindi pohe. But C plus D means what? C plus D is that portion. C plus D is the total number of students who studying English plus Sanskrit. Eta kotha tu hol C e okol exactly duta subject pohe, kintu D e keta subject pohe exactly tinta subject. So B is the number of students who reads exactly two subjects, English and Hindi. Exactly two. All দুটা পঢ়াইছো এই পোরশনটো অকল দুইটা ভাগৰে কিন্তু এই পোরশন যেটা ইনক্লুড কৰিবা এই পোরশনটো কাকা মাজত হোমাইছে ভালকে চোৱা তুমি এই পোরশনটো E ৰ হয় এই পোরশনটো H ৰ হয় এই পোরশনটো G ৰ হয় so F is the number of students who is studying exactly two elements মই যদি সুধো যে exactly দুটা পঢ়া স্টুডেন্ট দুটা সাবজেক্ট পঢ়া স্টুডেন্ট কিমান আছে how many students are here who is studying exactly two subjects তুমি কব লাগিব C plus B plus F So how many students are here out of 100 students who exactly read only one subject? Only one subject. A, E, Z. A plus, E plus Z. How many students are here who read exactly three subjects? This is nothing but the D. In this way, we have to find out the corresponding value. So, model question to how many students are here who read at least two subjects? At least two subject মানে minimum দুটা সাবজেক্ট পঢ়ে minimum দুটা 2 is the minimum value তারকে বেশিও পঢ়িব পাৰে that means how many subjects are there in the given question 3 that means minimum value is 2 maximum value is 3 দুটা পঢ়িলে হ'ব তিনটা পঢ়িলে হ'ব so what are the how many students are here প্ৰথমে exactly দুটা পঢ়াটো চাও exactly দুটা means C plus B plus F so next তিনটা পঢ়াটো চোৱা তিনটা পঢ়াটো কি আছে plus D So this is a total number of students who read at least two subject. At least one subject, and minimum eta subject pohibo. Minimum eta, maximum 3. So 1 to 3, eta subject poha kun ase? F plus E plus Z. Duta poha kun ase? C plus B plus Z. C plus B plus F. Next, tinta poha ki ase? D. So add all those three values, you will get the total number of students who read at least one subject. Listen, at least one subject means what? A, B, C, D, E, F, Z. That means you have got the whole portion, am I correct? So at least one means nothing but the union A union, B union C. Or you can say that E union, H union S. At least one subject means you have had all the portions, all the separate values. That means you have got the union of them. Okay, exactly 2, exactly 1, exactly 3, at least 1, at least 2, at least 3. These are the maximum or minimum conditions. Just go through the, suppose at most two subject. At most two subject. So maximum, this one is maximum portion and this one is minimum portion. At most 2 means maximum number of subjects will be 2. You have to think about the minimum numbers also. So 2 to the maximum value minimum kiman hobo pare eta subject to pohibo pare ba no pohibo pare so what are the possible values duta subject poha manu kiman ase so B plus C plus F eta subject poha ki ase F plus Z plus E ekbar no poha kiman ase H so add all those three values you will have at most two subjects number of students who read at most two subjects at most 3 that means maximum will be 3 so 3 plus 2 plus 1 plus 0 all those values you have to add in this way we can easily find out all those values so in your exam you have to mention all those elements let E, H and H represents the set of students who read or studying English, Hindi and Sanskrit respectively. First of all, you have to mention like that. And U be the set of people where the survey is done. Survey to jiman khini majot kora hoisil taharok ami U bili consider korisu. Therefore, N of U is it is given N of U is equal to 100 because 100 students are there where the survey is done. Next, N of E is given okay and you can easily say that in your answer tomalke mention koribo lagibo je in the given Venn diagram A B C D E F Z H represents the value of each and every region প্ৰত্যেকটো ৰিজনৰ ভ্যালু ৰিপ্ৰেজেন্ট কৰিছে বুলি মেনশন কৰিবলে মই আকবাৰ কৈছো কি কৰিবা ফাৰ্স্ট অফ অল ইউ হ্যাভ টু মেনশন হোৱাট ইজ E H and S what is you have to mention U okay you have to mention what is A B C D E F G and H A B C G and H represents the value of each and every portion of the Venn diagram now we can easily find out the value of how can you find it out listen n of u, universal set, is equal to what? 100. So what are the expression? N of u is equal to 100 means universal set ka gute portion bilag likha a plus b plus c plus d plus e f z plus h. H is also there, which is lies inside the universal set, is equal to what? 100. Equation number 1. Next, what is given? English only. English only means, okay, one by one. English only, this is nothing but this portion, English only. That means it is given a is equal to what? 18. Correct? Then in the next step, English but not Hindi. English but not Hindi. Which portion? Okay, how can you find out English but not Hindi? First of all, you have to consider English portion. Okay, English but not Hindi. You are not supposed to consider this portion. This one is the English portion, but not Hindi. That means you have to neglect all those portions which represent Hindi. So this portion represents Hindi. This portion represents Hindi. So A plus C. So A plus C is equal to 23. Am I correct? English but not Hindi. First of all, it should be English but not Hindi. You have to eliminate Hindi. Then A and C will be there. Then English and Sanskrit, intersection portion. English and Sanskrit. English and Sanskrit. English and Sanskrit. What is the intersection portion? C plus D. C plus D is also given. C plus D is equal to what? C plus D is equal to 8. Next is given English 26. English is the English set. This is the set of English students. So A plus B plus C plus D. D is equal to what? 26 it is given. A plus B plus C plus D. English 26. Sanskrit 48. Consider all the elements of Sanskrit. Tamane C plus D plus F plus Z is equal to what? 48. Correct? Then Sanskrit and Hindi. This one is Hindi and this one is Sanskrit. The intersection portion is this one. Sanskrit and Hindi. D plus F. So D plus F is equal to what? Sanskrit and Hindi is equal to 8. Then no language. Whatever maybe the elements will be here in this portion, the students will read at least one subject. Subject pohibo. But no language means what? Outside this one. Obviously H. What is the value of H? H is equal to 24. So now listen, so many different equations you have got. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 equations you have got. Okay, so putting different values of A, B, C, D, E, F, G and H, you will get a corresponding values. For example, C plus, simplifying this one, putting the value of A, you will get the value of C, 5. That means you have got A is equal to what? A is equal to 18. Putting the value of A here, C is equal to 5. So if C is equal to 5, then D is equal to 3. Okay, and D is equal to 3 means F is equal to 3. F is equal to 5. F is equal to 5 you have got. So put the value of C, F and D. C, F and D, then 13. So 13 means 35. So Z is equal to 35. So in this way, I think you can easily ZH means already it is there. H is 24. So A is 18. B is not there. D is equal to 3. This one is 18 plus B plus C is equal to 5. Okay, D is equal to 3. So what is the value? 8, 26, 0. B is equal to 0. B is equal to 0. What does it mean? B is equal to 0 means what? B is which portion? Okay. B is equal to 0. We will have these values. So calculation may be wrong also. Just go through yourself only. Try to find out the. So now using all those informations, we can easily find out the corresponding values. Ami kenake value bilak ulebo parim. So it is true or false. You can easily check by adding them. Tomaloke add kori sabo para. Add kole kiman ahibo lebo 100 should be there. Plus kori so 100 ahen nahe. Okay. Now how can you find it out value? Hindi. So Hindi means what? Hindi portion means B, E, D, F. B plus D plus E plus F. So put the value. From this one expression, you will get the corresponding answer. How many students are there who read Hindi? Hindi only means only Hindi portion. That means the value of E. Value of E means what? We are not getting till now. Okay, pahori thakilo actually. E value to tumalke uliyai loba. So you will value of Hindi only. Similarly, English and Hindi. English and Hindi means which portion? English and Hindi. So B plus D. You will have the value of B plus D. Similarly, Sanskrit only. So you will have the value of Z. Z is equal to 35. And all the three subjects, how many students are here who read all the three subjects? This is by the value of D. So in this way, you can easily find out the value of each and every questions. I hope you have got my point. How can you proceed? A question which contains three sets, three collections. By using Venn diagram, you can easily prove it, or you can easily find out the value of any question related to this. Just go to the video once again and think about yourself and try to calculate yourself. The values may be wrong also. Okay. Thank you so much for watching the video. Questions are there in your NCERT textbook. Just go through it and try to solve yourself. Then obviously you will have the idea. Thank you so much.